Hello and welcome to WebMeet. This tutorial shows you how to manage all guest rights, because in a live meeting, simple, easy-to-access controls matter. When you're building a team, leading a presentation, or welcoming prospects into a live meeting, the last thing you want is distraction, confusion, or a room that feels out of control. That's why WebMeet gives you fast access to the guest rights control. To access this control, a host clicks the Guest List button located right next to Chat, then clicks Manage All Guest Rights. The settings you choose here apply to everyone, which makes it easy to manage the energy and flow of the meeting in just seconds. By default, talk, video, and messaging are turned on. That means guests can speak, use their camera, and send messages when they join the meeting. From this screen, the host can quickly decide what guests are allowed to do. If you turn Talk to off, everyone is muted. This is especially useful when you're presenting, training, or sharing a story and want full attention on the message, instead of background noise. If you turn video to off, guests cannot appear on camera. This is a smart choice when you need a more polished presentation and need guests focused on the host, a leader, or the content being shared. This gives you control over text messaging conversations. You can allow chat messages with everyone or limit messaging so guests can chat only with the host. You can also control whether guests can record the meeting as well as upload and download files in file sharing. This helps the host maintain structure and prevents unnecessary activity during an important meeting. Why this matters in building an organization or team. An online meeting isn't just a meeting, it's often a first impression. It may be a prospect's first exposure to your team, your leadership, or your opportunity. When the room feels organized, the message feels stronger. For example, if you're starting a presentation and need everyone focused, you can turn off talk and video for all guests right here. Instantly, the room becomes quieter, cleaner, and easier to lead. Then, if you want to give one specific person permission to speak, appear on camera, or help lead the meeting, you can do that from the guest list by clicking the 3 dots next to that person's name. This allows you to give guest rights to specific people and promote them to co-hosts to present during the meeting. That combination is powerful. Quick access to this control gives you the ability to lead with confidence, protect the message, and create a smoother experience for every guest. Because when duplication matters, simple controls matter. And when the host stays in control, your meeting stays effective. Thank you for your interest in WebMeet, and thanks for watching.